Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook no internet connection on iPhone. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook no internet connection on iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page here you will click force stop. After that, in this page you will click storage, and when you will see this page here you will click clear cache. After that you will enter to clear data, and when you will end this you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.